By now, you should already have your long-term notes done. If you don't have them done, make sure you're getting that done first thing. Once they're in, let me know. That way I can review them. I'll give you the okay. And then we're moving into our body paragraphs. So if you go into the module, it's not posted just yet, but I'm going to post it for you. We're going to click on the Unit 1 Project Graphic Organizer. We're going to open that up in a new tab. You want to also make sure that you have your project guidelines available because we're going to break this down and we're going to chunk it. Okay. So on our rough draft, we know we need to have an introduction. We need to compare similarities between the two cities, differences, and a conclusion. So this should be a 4-paragraph essay. You are not writing all 4 paragraphs today. We are going to break each part down. Today we're going to do an ACEs body paragraph for similarities only. There will be a separate video for differences, introduction, and conclusion, but today we are only focusing on similarities. So if you're doing this on Cami, make sure you have this page up. If you're doing it on paper, make sure you get it out of your blue project folder. So we're going to go back to the Unit 1 graphic organizer. Now, as you can see, this is my example. You are not permitted to use my example. This is only going to be in the Cami for this video, and then it's going to be deleted. That way you can input your own information. So if we're looking at our project guidelines, our similarities between the two cities, we need to choose 3 areas from the 5 themes of geography. For my example, I'm choosing the first 3. You are welcome to choose any of the other ones that you want, but whatever you choose for similarities, you need to choose for differences. So for each theme you choose, we need to explain what the 2 differences have in common and provide details or descriptions to further explain the similarity. So let's go ahead and take a look at my example. Now I'm combining cite and explain. We have answer, cite and explain, and summarize. So we're still following the ACEs method. So up at the top, we have our prompt. What similarities and differences exist between Tokyo and Philadelphia? The first part that I need to do is answer the question, give context, and explain evidence. So I need to restate the prompt. So I say, Philadelphia and Tokyo share similar traits. Place, location, and region are 3 ways both cities are alike. I have my topic, I have my controlling idea, and I have my 3 main points. Then I go down to cite and explain. Since we did not teach you how to properly cite text evidence just yet, you are summarizing. So you don't need to pull evidence directly from the text. If you would like to and give it a try, that's fine. I can give you feedback on that. But you can follow the same type of setup that I did, which was just to summarize. So you need to begin with a transition, provide details to add more, provide another example to add more details, and write more than 1 sentence here if you would like. This is going to be the bulk of your body paragraph, so you need to make sure you're answering the question. So in my example, I start off with a transition. One way Philadelphia and Tokyo are similar is their location. Both cities are located in the northern hemisphere of their specific countries and are located west of major oceans. Another way Philadelphia and Tokyo are alike is their regions. Both cities have nicknames. Philadelphia's nickname is the City of Brotherly Love, and Japan's is the City of 808 Villages. Baseball is also a popular sport in both cities. The final reason they are similar is their place. Tokyo and Philadelphia have buildings, skyscrapers, parks, museums, and stadiums throughout the city. So I'm addressing my 3 themes of geography. I have location, I have region, and I have place. You need to make sure that you are doing the same thing. Finally, my last sentence is to summarize. So again, I start with a transition and I restate my topic sentence in different words. All in all, Tokyo and Philadelphia share many similar characteristics. This is my first body paragraph. When you are finished with this section of the graphic organizer, you're going to go ahead and hit submit. Mine says publish changes, but you should have something up here that says submit. When you're done that, follow directions on the board on what to do next.